Welcome to Zing Thing. This time I'm bringing to you a complete extravaganza of drone shots from the White Winter Spiti from our recent trip to Spiti Valley, where we were driving in 4x4 vehicles in a convoy with the Nomads 4x4 overlanding group who had invited us as part of their Winter Spiti plan, where various enthusiasts, 4x4 enthusiasts, had joined the group. Nomad 4x4 is a set of professionals who have been doing this for many years, and I was very happy to join them. Here I bring to you this White Spiti extravaganza shot from my drone, and as you can see, the whole valley had experienced heavy snowfall for 2 days. The average snowfall was more than 3 feet, and the whole Kaza town is completely white. And as you can see, these drone shots, we've taken our 4x4 vehicles out for a drive. The roads towards Hikkim and other areas nearby were not open. The only road that we could drive on in Kaza on this day was towards the Loso side, where we actually have the Spiti River and its bridge.